All right, it's Robb The Car Guy, 2 wheels in the front, 2 wheels in the back. I'm at a DealerCenter convention. I guess you guys are gonna ask me some questions. I'm gonna give you guys some answers, some honest feedback. I don't bullshit it.
Have you benefited from your partnership with DealerCenter?
Yes, I originally started with Wayne Reeves and they were so dated, they didn't have any of the technology. I got with DealerCenter and it instantly doubled my sales. You guys linked me to a bunch of banks. You guys had all this other resources that me and Steven put together and took us to the next level.
Why do you recommend DealerCenter?
I recommend DealerCenter first, the price is right. You guys are not super expensive. They're super easy. I'm not a tech guy. I'm kind of old. I'm almost 40. So I'm not good with the technology. But you guys have everything. I plug and play. My customers' information goes on the website. It comes in a DealerCenter. I hit submit. You guys send it to all the banks. I make the money. Super easy.
So what'd you learn today at the workshop?
All right, so I'm real old school. I learned about the DC marketing tool. What I used to do is drive to other dealers, see what they're pricing cars for. I'd get on Craigslist, I'd get on Facebook, I'd get on Cars Guru, I'd get on Google. I'd spend hours searching for one car to see what they're selling for, to know what I can buy it at the auction. I found out today DealerCenter has this thing where I can just enter that car and all that data just pops up instantly from me, and I don't gotta go nowhere.
Are there things that you heard today that dealerships could use to help grow their business?
Yes, definitely. The DC marketing tool is very important. GWC warranties, if you don't have a warranty company, this is the one you need to go to. You had Auto Sweep, Carsing. There's a ton of resources right inside DealerCenter that I didn't know existed until today, and I really appreciate it.
What would you say to a business who is considering partnering with DealerCenter?
I would say if you're a small independent dealer like myself, DealerCenter is the only way to go. Like I said, I started off with Wayne Reeves. They kind of sucked. I didn't get anywhere with it. DealerCenter has my buy here, pay here portfolio. It has my cash deals. It has my finance deals. I'm linked to all the banks. Everything's in one setting. I don't have to go all over the place looking for everything. I click submit, it goes there, it comes back, and I'm done. Thank you guys. DealerCenter was a big help. You know, we were selling 5 cars a month. Now I'm up to 25 cars a month, and it's all because of DealerCenter. I used to be cash only. Now I'm finance. Now I'm buy here, pay here. I do a little bit of everything. It's because of you guys. Thank you so much.